Hey there, so you're looking for a quick workout that fits into your busy day, right? I get it. Between work, family, and life in general, finding time for fitness can feel impossible. But what if I told you that in just 15 minutes, yes, just 15 minutes, you could get a full body workout, break a sweat, and feel amazing? No equipment needed, no fancy gym membership, just you, your body, and a commitment to getting stronger. You ready? Today, we're doing 15 exercises. Each one will be done for 40 seconds with 20 seconds of rest in between. Don't worry if you're just starting out. Take it slow, listen to your body, and stay consistent. You'll see progress even with just 15 minutes a day. Exercise 1, push-ups. Let's kick things off with push-ups. Push-ups are fantastic because they work your chest, shoulders, and triceps all at once. Here's how we're doing it. Get into a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest towards the ground, then push back up. If full push-ups are tough, no worries. Drop to your knees and keep your core tight as you move. You got 40 seconds on the clock. Let's go. Great job. Take a 20-second break, shake it out, and get ready for the next one. Exercise 2, squats. Now we're going to hit those legs with squats. Squats work your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Basically, the whole lower body. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back like you're sitting into a chair. Lower down, keeping your chest up and your knees behind your toes. Then, stand up strong. If you want to add intensity, try jumping at the top of each squat. But for now, let's focus on good form. 40 seconds. Let's do this. Nice work. 20-second rest. Breathe and get ready for the next move. Exercise 3. Mountain climbers. All right, let's get that heart rate up with mountain climbers. Start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Keep your core tight and drive one knee toward your chest. Quickly switch legs like you're climbing. The faster you go, the more intense it gets, but keep your form tight and controlled. 40 seconds, let's go. Yes, that's the pace. Rest for 20 seconds. Catch your breath and get ready for the next challenge. Exercise 4, plank to push-up. Next, we've got plank to push-ups. This one's tough but effective. Start in a forearm plank. Push up onto your hands, one arm at a time, then lower back down to your forearms. Keep your core tight and your body in a straight line. The goal here is control and strength. Ready? 40 seconds, let's do it. Great job. Take a 20-second rest. You're building that upper body strength. Exercise 5, jumping jacks. Now let's move on to jumping jacks. This one's a classic and great for your cardio. Start with your feet together and arms by your sides. Jump your feet out while raising your arms overhead, then jump your feet back together and lower your arms. Keep a steady pace and let's make this the final cardio blast of the workout. 40 seconds, let's go. Nice, 20-second rest. Take a deep breath, you're doing awesome. Exercise 6, lunges. Now we're going to hit those legs again with lunges. Step forward with one foot, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at about 90 degrees. Push back up to the starting position and switch legs. Keep your back straight and make sure your knee doesn't go past your toes. 40 seconds, let's get into it. Well done, 20 seconds rest. Shake those legs out, you've got this. Exercise 7, plank hold. Next, we're holding a plank. This one is simple but so effective for your core and stability. Get into a forearm plank position. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels with your elbows under your shoulders. Squeeze your core tight and breathe. You can do this for 40 seconds. Hold strong. Awesome job. 20-second rest. That core is getting stronger, 1 second at a time. Exercise 8, glute bridges. Now let's work on those glutes and hamstrings with glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Push through your heels and lift your hips towards the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower back down. This is a great move for your lower body. Let's go. 40 seconds of glute bridges. Great work. 20-second rest. You're almost there. Exercise 9, bicycle crunches. Time for some core work with bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your knees bent. Bring your right elbow to your left knee as you straighten your right leg. Then switch sides. Keep your movements controlled and feel that core working. 40 seconds, let's crush it. Yes, 20-second rest. You're almost at the finish line. Exercise 10, high knees. Last exercise, we're finishing strong with high knees. Run in place, bringing your knees as high as you can. Pump your arms, keep your core engaged, and really pick up the pace. Let's finish this workout strong. 40 seconds, go. Exercise 11, skater jumps. Let's add a little lateral movement with skater jumps. Start by hopping to one side, landing on your left leg, and jumping laterally to your right leg. You want to move like you're skating, pushing off each leg, and keeping your knees soft. This is great for your legs and your cardio. 40 seconds, let's keep those feet moving. Awesome, 20-second rest. Breathe, stretch, and get ready for the next one. Exercise 12, Wallsit. Now let's give our legs a burn with wall sits. Find a wall and slide down until your knees are at a 90-degree angle. Keep your back against the wall and hold that position as long as you can. This is all about endurance. 40 seconds, hold it strong. Nice job, 20-second rest. Feel the burn, keep pushing. Exercise 13, side plank, right side. Now we're switching things up with a side plank. Get onto your right side with your elbow directly under your shoulder and your legs stacked. Raise your hips so your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 40 seconds. This is all about core stability. Great, 20-second rest. We'll do the other side next. Exercise 14, side plank, left side. Time to switch sides for the left side plank. Get into position just like we did on the right side. Squeeze your core and keep those hips lifted. Hold that position strong for 40 seconds. You've got this. Awesome, 20-second rest. Just one more exercise to go. Exercise 15, burpees. And finally, we're finishing this workout with burpees. This one's tough, but it's a full body move that will leave you feeling incredible. Start standing, then squat down and jump your feet back into a plank. Jump your feet forward and then explode up into a jump. Keep moving and push yourself hard. Let's finish strong for 40 seconds. Ready? Yes, you did it. 15 exercises in the books, and you crushed the whole workout. All right, now it's time to cool down. Take a few deep breaths, inhale deeply, then exhale slowly. Stretch your legs and arms, reach for the sky, and then bend down to touch your toes. Feel that stretch. Your body is thanking you right now. You just completed a full body workout in 15 minutes, and that's an amazing accomplishment. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about showing up, giving it your best effort, and making progress every day. Keep showing up and you'll see real results. Even 10 minutes a day is enough to build a stronger, healthier you. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you felt the burn and want to keep going, hit that subscribe button. And if you've got 15 minutes tomorrow, come back and do it again. Drop a comment and let me know how you felt after this workout. What was your favorite exercise? What would you like to see next? Don't forget to like the video if it helped you and share it with a friend who needs a quick workout in their day. You're doing incredible, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep moving, keep growing, and keep crushing it.